today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch views in Blender fast using the numpad and the view navigation gizmo. By the end, you'll be snapping to precise front, side, and top views with confidence, whether you're on a full keyboard or a laptop. First, make sure you're working inside the 3D viewport. These shortcuts only apply when your cursor is over that area, and they're designed to help you line up your modeling, sculpting, or animation work with exact precision. Let's start with the quickest approach, the numpad. If you have a numpad, press 1 to jump straight to the front view, press 3 to move to the right view, and press 7 to go to the top view. These are designed to be muscle memory friendly, so you can keep your eyes on your model and your hands on the keyboard without breaking your flow. If you need the opposite angle, hold Control with those same keys. Control+1 gives you the back view, Control+3 takes you to the left view, and Control+7 switches to the bottom view. This is perfect for checking both sides of your model quickly, for example, flipping between front and back to confirm symmetry, or right and left to verify alignment. If the keys don't seem to work, make sure numlock is enabled and that you aren't typing into a text field. Now, if you're on a laptop without a numpad, or you just prefer a more visual approach, the view navigation gizmo is your friend. Look to the top right corner of the 3D viewport and you'll see a small compass-like widget. Click the X label to snap to a side view aligned with the X-axis, click Y to switch to a front-facing view aligned with the Y-axis, and click Z to jump to the top view aligned with the Z-axis. This is an intuitive way to learn how Blender thinks about orientation. X runs left to right, Y runs front to back, and Z runs up and down. The gizmo makes it crystal clear where you're looking from, and it's especially helpful when you're just getting started or working on a device without dedicated number keys. That's all there is to it. Use the numpad for speed and muscle memory, or click the view navigation gizmo when you want a visual guide. Try switching between these views as you model, and you'll notice cleaner alignment, more accurate edits, and a smoother workflow. Pause here, practice a few toggles, and you'll have it down in no time.